Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little different. I'm doing from, I guess, the nose down, because from the nose up, it's just not working for me right now in this quarantine, okay? So today I'm doing some chicken Alfredo, and it's homemade, so I'm excited. My honey made this for dinner tonight. So yeah, let's dig in. I was gonna try to do ASMR, but you know, it's a lot of noise going on upstairs. As y'all can see, I have a new background. Da-da-da-dun. So yeah, let's get into this Alfredo. Mmm. See that? Mmm. 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 Okay, honey. You did that, honey. That's good, y'all. Got a little spice to it, too. Yes. I was going to do it with my chopsticks, but oh, let me go down. But I really could. Mmm. 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 This is so weird doing it like this. But I also kind of like it. This is really good. So how are y'all holding up with this quarantine? Me, you know, it's really about going on what's going on right now. Nothing. Y'all don't even want to see what I'm going through. Sorry. It's been crazy. Do y'all really think the kids are going to go back to school? I doubt it. That's a good one right there. I'll put my hair back. It's kind of in the way of me eating. Honestly, this is so crazy, guys, that we're really like stuck in the house. Because it's really not a game. It's really not a game. Do y'all hear? Oh, do y'all hear all that ruckus upstairs? It's like, it's the only way I can get away. I know you saw me. You can't see me. I'm gonna edit that out. This Alfredo is really bomb, and I definitely should have got more noodles than this. Yummy. You know, I drink my sparkling water. If you're wondering what that is right there, it's my honey's, excuse me, running suit. He puts on, like, for him to sweat. Have y'all guys been working on this quarantine? Because I haven't. I really should, but I haven't. I want to get some more noodles in that. Oh, that piece of chicken. You know, sometimes I'll be wanting to record at nighttime, but it's like I have so much to do in the morning. I can't even afford to go to sleep real late. It's not a real thing. It's not a real thing. It's not. Seriously, I just feel like discombobulated. I I just feel a lot of stuff. Like, I just don't even know what's going on. Like, sometimes I wake up. Oh, y'all gonna stop tricking me. Sometimes I wake up and I think I'm dreaming. Like, legit, wake up and I look around and I say, this can't be real. This can't be real. I've been in this house for too long. This can't be real. I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. I am losing my mind. All I can do is eat. You know what I don't get? How some people can like eat a whole meal without eating. I can't do that. I be needing to drink something. Like, I'm gonna be parched as hell. Oh, I mean parched as crap. I don't know if that's any better to say. I gotta learn how to stop cursing. That's my problem. I really want more noodles, y'all. I think he playing me. I'm gonna give me this amount. I made this wig the other day, but I also slept in it. So now it looks like this. And I was really going for a mohawk look, but the front is a little bit not mohawk right now, so that's why I'm giving y'all this right now. But don't worry, I'm gonna fix her up and then y'all gonna see the whole thing. But for right now, y'all just gonna get this cut off. You're just gonna get this cut off. Some of y'all need to get cut off. I'll be tripping. Why would he give me so much chicken and not more noodles? I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, guys. Whoa, excuse me. So guess what? I made CBD gummies. And they came out so freaking good. They came out so freaking good. I was really proud of myself. So I think I'm going to try to do more CBD treats. So if you're interested, let me know. You know, CBD can be shipped worldwide. So send me an email, hop in my DMs. You can follow me at Shayna on IG. Or you can follow you just follow me there. Sometimes you do a happy dance, but right now I'm upset. Don't get me wrong. The chicken is good. I don't got enough noodles. I don't have enough noodles. Like, that's it. Can y'all see my butt chin? I'm losing my mind, okay? That's just the bottom line. I'm losing my mind in here. I'm seeing the same walls. Excuse me. I'm seeing the same daggone kids and they same. I can't even show y'all no more. Like, I gotta stop showing myself. This is the whole point of me doing this. Look at me. Look at me. Like usually I give y'all myself. I can't even give y'all myself because I don't know who I am. Who am I? Look at my nails. Yuck. Yo. Like Titty Boy said. Titty Boy, if y'all know who Titty Boy is, it's 2 Chainz. But whatever. I'm going through it. I'm going through it. Like for real. Oh my goodness gracious. It's getting real. It's getting more real because he ain't put enough daggone noodle on this plate. I swear. Look at all this daggone. Can y'all see? Can y'all see all this chicken? That measly little. You know, daggone well, I'm a noodle fiend. This y'all itching, y'all. Oh no, she's slipping. She's slipping. But she itching. Okay, we good. Don't mind me. I'm just losing my mind. I'm not about to re-record this either. Because, I mean, I'm already here. Look at this. Look at this. That's it. My noodles is gone. I don't want that chicken. I'm done, y'all. Somebody come holler at me.